Everyone eats plums, but almost no one realizes the massive operation hidden behind these soft, juicy fruits. They look simple, sweet, and harmless. Yet the United States produces around 780 million pounds every single year, and behind that number lies a system driven by precision, timing, and high-stakes decisions. Sounds easy, right? Just grow fruit and pick it? Not even close. What if I told you that one wrong move during harvesting can ruin entire batches in minutes? Welcome back to Machine's Visit. Today, we're stepping into a world most people never see, a journey that begins in California's sun-drenched orchards and ends in the dried plum products loved around the world. But here's the twist. What looks calm and natural on the surface is actually a carefully controlled process where machines and humans work under constant pressure. Plum trees take years to mature, 3 to 5 years of growth before they finally bloom with delicate white flowers and begin producing fruit. Slowly, those fruits transform from green to deep red and purple, reaching peak sweetness by late summer. And that's when everything changes. Because harvest time isn't just about collecting fruit. It's a race against time. Large-scale orchards rely on advanced harvesting machines designed for speed and precision. These machines move slowly along the rows, using flexible mechanical arms that reach into the trees with rotating brushes, gently encouraging ripe plums to fall. It looks smooth, but every movement is calculated, because too much force can damage the fruit, and too little leaves it behind. Below, a catching system instantly unfolds, acting like a soft landing pad to protect the plums from impact. From there, the fruit moves onto conveyor belts where soft brushes begin cleaning while powerful air jets remove dust and debris. And just like that, even before leaving the orchard, the plums are already being processed. But this is only the beginning. Some machines can handle up to 12,000 pounds per hour, turning what once took days into a matter of minutes. And then comes something even more powerful, the tree shaker. This machine grips the tree trunk like a mechanical hand and sends control vibrations through it, strong enough to knock down only the ripest plums while leaving the tree intact. It's aggressive, yet incredibly precise. As the fruit falls, a large catching frame absorbs the impact, preventing bruising and preserving quality. The plums are then funneled into vacuum-assisted conveyor systems for further cleaning. And here's where things get intense. Some of these systems can process up to 10 million pounds per hour, dramatically reducing labor while pushing efficiency to extreme levels. Another advanced machine, the inverted umbrella canopy shaker, takes things even further. Designed for uneven terrain, it catches falling plums on a sloped surface, guiding them smoothly into processing systems while cleaning them at the same time. It's fast, efficient, and almost unbelievable to watch. But here's the controversy. Machines aren't always enough. In many orchards, farmers still rely on hand harvesting, not because they have to, but because they want perfection. Workers carefully select each plum, choosing only those with ideal ripeness, size, and color. It's slower, much slower, but far more controlled. A worker may collect 50 to 80 pounds per hour, while machines process thousands. Yet this human touch ensures premium quality that machines sometimes miss. It's not just harvesting, it's craftsmanship. Once collected, the plums begin their next transformation, transported to processing facilities. They are washed using high-pressure systems and soft brushes, removing every trace of dirt. Then comes sorting. Only the best fruits move forward. And now, the most critical stage begins, drying. This is where everything can go wrong. The plums are placed in industrial ovens at controlled temperatures for up to 24 hours. Too much heat, and they lose texture. Too little, and they spoil. But when done right, something incredible happens. The plums transform into soft, naturally sweet dried fruit, ready for the next stage. And just when you think they're ready, the process continues. They are washed again, softened with steam, and sent through precision pitting machines that remove the seeds without damaging the flesh. But here's the twist. Machines aren't perfect. That's why every batch still goes through human inspection. Because in a system this precise, even the smallest mistake matters. And when you step back and look at the full journey, from orchard to processing plant, you realize something powerful. These simple fruits are part of a system driven by technology, precision, and human effort working together. So the next time you eat a plum, remember, behind that sweetness lies a process far more intense than you ever imagined. And just when you think the process is finally complete, this is where perfection is truly tested. Even after pitting, the plums face one last challenge: defect detection. Skilled workers carefully inspect every single fruit, analyzing its color, size, and uniformity with intense focus. Because at this stage, even one imperfect plum can compromise the entire batch. Only those that meet strict quality standards move forward. Then comes the final transformation: packaging. But this isn't just about sealing fruit into bags. These dried plums are carefully placed into vacuum-sealed or airtight containers designed to lock in freshness, preserve their soft, chewy texture, and maintain their natural sweetness. Every package is labeled with detailed information: origin, quality, expiration, giving consumers confidence in what they're buying. But here's something most people don't realize. Behind these simple packages lies an industry generating hundreds of millions of dollars every year. The United States produces around 780 million pounds of plums annually, with California leading the charge thanks to its near-perfect growing conditions. This industry doesn't just supply local markets. It reaches across the world, creating thousands of jobs and supporting entire communities. And yet, this is only part of the story. Because the journey of fruit doesn't end with plums. Another fruit, just as delicate and even more demanding, enters the scene: peaches. At first glance, peaches seem soft, sweet, and simple, but their story is far more complex. Originating over 2,000 years ago in China, these fruits have traveled across continents to become a global favorite. They belong to the stone fruit family, hiding a hard pit beneath their delicate flesh, a contrast that mirrors their journey. Peaches come in many forms: clingstone, freestone, white, yellow, each offering its own texture and flavor. But beyond taste, they are packed with nutrients, rich in vitamins A and C, low in calories, and high in fiber. They may look like a simple snack, but they're anything but ordinary. And then comes the most critical moment: harvest. When summer arrives, the pressure begins. We're not talking about small quantities. We're talking about nearly 650,000 tons of peaches, a massive operation where timing becomes everything. Too early, and the fruit is hard and tasteless. Too late, and it becomes soft, bruised, and unsellable. Farmers rely on experience, instinct, and subtle signs, color changes, slight softness, and that unmistakable sweet aroma to decide the exact moment to pick. And here's the twist. Despite all modern technology, most peaches are still harvested by hand. Why? Because machines aren't gentle enough. These fruits bruise easily, and even a small mistake can ruin their value. So workers enter the orchards early in the morning, avoiding the harsh midday sun, carefully twisting each peach from its branch and placing it gently into baskets. It's slow, demanding work that requires skill and patience. Every peach is inspected on the spot. Any fruit with blemishes or defects is removed immediately, often redirected for processing into jams or purees, because nothing goes to waste. But even harvesting comes with risks. Workers must move carefully, balancing on ladders, avoiding slips, protecting themselves from branches, heat, and even bees attracted to the sweet fruit. One wrong move, and the day can quickly turn chaotic. And just when the harvest is complete, the race against time begins again. Peaches are highly perishable, meaning they must be transported quickly to processing facilities before they lose their quality. And when you step back and look at the entire journey, from orchard to packaging, you realize something powerful. These fruits are not just food. They are part of a complex, high-pressure system driven by precision, timing, and human effort. So the next time you bite into a soft, sweet peach, remember, behind that simple moment lies a story far more intense than you ever imagined. They get a good wash to remove any dirt, pesticides, or that fuzzy layer of peach fuzz. Think of it as a spa day for peaches. Here the peaches are sorted based on size, color, and firmness. Advanced machines use cameras and sensors to detect imperfections, but human inspectors are also on hand to make the final call. Peaches are then cooled to slow down ripening and extend shelf life. This involves cold storage rooms where the temperature and humidity are carefully controlled, utilizing conveyor belts and modern technology in the pre-processing of peaches offer significant benefits that enhance both efficiency and product quality. Conveyor belts streamline the movement of peaches through various stages like washing, sorting, and packing, reducing manual handling and the risk of fruit bruising. Modern technologies, such as optical sorting systems equipped with cameras and sensors, enable precise detection of defects, size, grading, and color sorting at high speeds. This automation ensures consistent quality and increases throughput, meeting market demands more effectively. Additionally, reducing reliance on manual labor lowers operational costs and minimizes human error. It also improves worker safety by lessening physical strain and exposure potential hazards. Depending on their ultimate destination, peaches can take different routes. The first one is the fresh market peaches. These are the cream of the crop, literally. They're carefully packed into crates or boxes designed to protect them during transportation. Packaging often includes cushioning materials to prevent bruising. Then we have processing peaches. Peaches destined for canning, freezing, or making into products like jams and juices undergo additional processing. They might be peeled, pitted, sliced, or puree, depending on their end-use. Canned peaches are a delightful way to savor the sweet and juicy flavor of peaches all year round by capturing the fruit at its peak ripeness. Canning preserves the natural sweetness and tender texture that fresh peaches are celebrated for. The process involves peeling and slicing the peaches before immersing them in a light syrup or their own juices, which helps to maintain their vibrant color and enhances their inherent taste. The versatility of canned peaches makes them a pantry staple. They are ready to eat straight from the can, making them a convenient snack in the culinary world. They shine in desserts like peach cobblers, pies, and parfaits, adding a burst of flavor without the prep work required for fresh fruit. Additionally, they can be incorporated into savory dishes. Think glazed pork with peach sauce, or tossed into salads for a hint of sweetness. From the meticulous care in the orchards to the intricate processes in the factories harvesting 650,000 tons of peaches is no small feat. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of American farmers, workers, and everyone involved in the journey from tree to table. Peaches enrich our economy, adding millions of dollars and supporting thousands of jobs. They enhance our culture, symbolizing hospitality, warmth, and the simple joys of life in our daily lives. They offer not just nutrition, but also moments of indulgence and comfort. So, next time you savor a juicy peach, remember the incredible journey it took to get to you. Appreciate the hands that picked it, the care that preserved it, and the rich tapestry of economic and cultural threads woven into that single delicious bite. After all, life's just peachy when you stop to enjoy it. Worry about the peaches. Hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our exciting videos go live. Goodbye, you.